What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take screenshots on Google Meet. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in meet.google.com, or you can simply just type in Google Meet. After typing Google Meet, you will see this type of icon and just click on this website, and as you can see, after clicking on the website, I am redirected to the home page of Google Meet. Now from here, I will just start an instant meeting, and after starting an instant meeting, as you can see, here is my instant meeting. For taking a screenshot, if you are a Windows user, just simply press the Windows key plus Shift key plus the S key. What I mean by that, just simply press Windows Shift S. And after that you can take the custom screenshot. Like if you want to take this middle one as a screenshot, just simply drag and just drop it when you are done, so this will capture a screenshot. But if you want to take a screenshot through an extension, you can download this extension of Awesome Screen Recorder. Now, where you will find the extensions, right on the right side, click on these three dots and then hover to extensions. After that, click on Visit Web Store, and from there, just search for this Awesome Screen Recorder. Then install this extension and then add it to your browser, and after that you can just click on it when you want to use it, and then you can take screenshots or you can do screen recording from it. So that was all for this video. This is how you can take screenshots for Google Meets. Thank you for watching.